see if he goes here, 1 out. He does. Pitch called a strike inside part of the plate. Throw from Vogel, plenty of time. Ball is waiting for him on the tag on Drossel. So the called strike.
Top of the order, Dominic Vogel. Vogel's 0 for 2 today. As this ball ripped through the right side of the infield. That's a base hit for Vogel. First time. He was designated hitting the last time up. Here's the 1-2 from Perry. This ball hit out right off the bat for Dominic Vogel. A solo shot. Looks like he might have just...
There you go. You're going for 3?